Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. So because today, this morning actually, I thrifted such awesome stuff, I decided that I was going to do a separate thrift haul video for you guys. And here it is. I'm super excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting. So again, I'm going to have that video linked right there and down below in the description box as well. And if you guys would like to and haven't done so already, don't forget to add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into this haul because I got some pretty good stuff. So the first store that I went to was a veterans thrift store, and I got a pretty large bag of goodies. So I'm just gonna open it right here. Hopefully I can. They always tie it pretty well. I always have a hard time opening it up. I usually have to just like break it open. But we sure got some goodies today, let me tell you. The first item we have here, this is a super cute, like inspired kind of Balenciaga style bag. It's in a really nice mustard yellow color with gunmetal colored hardware and vegan leather, but it's so gosh darn cute. I had to get it. I love the size, the color is really cute, and it was only $7. So there we go. So adorable. I love it. It totally goes with the room, right? It's so cute. Okay, so that's the first thing I have there. Then up next, I have this beautiful Dooney and Burke. Oh, I didn't even notice there was a pen mark. There's like a little pen mark right there, but I'm hoping I can get it out. But we'll see. Usually, Dooney and Burke leather is pretty resilient, so sometimes I can get the stains out better than other leather bags. And this guy was $15. So there's that. I really love this like embossed croc too. I love this line from Dooney and Burke. Plus I do love also the lock detail on the front. I think that is really, really nice. Oh, this was a really cute find too. Now this one is a little Dooney and Burke coin pouch. So cute. It has a little turn lock or a little kiss lock right there, and the interior is just like a smooth leather, which I think is really nice. This is definitely a vintage style, and I am really, really excited for it. I don't even know if I'm going to sell this because I feel like it's so cute, and I definitely want to use it as a coin pouch, I think. Or this would be really cute also if you have AirPods, to put your AirPods in here. That way, like, they're kind of like easier to find, and you don't ding up the case. So there's that. Ooh, sorry, there's like an airplane flying over us. It's really loud. Up next, I was really excited to find this bag because I thought it was really, 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 really nice. I love this cool braided leather detail all around, and then like on the handle, like the detail on this bag is so intense. I kind of thought it was a Ferragamo at first, and it ended up being a Cole Haan. And Cole Haan, I feel like, is underrated. Their bags are so gorgeous. They use beautiful. Look at the lock on there. Look how gorgeous this lock is. It is stunning. Oh my goodness. It is so nice. And then that just opens up, and then it's a pocket, and then there's the interior, lots of nice compartments in there. Such a nice bag. This is really, really pretty. And it's in pretty good condition, especially for being a white bag. It just needs a little bit of a cleaning, but that I know is just gonna come off real easily. And then the last item that I have from the Veterans Thrift is this gorgeous fossil bag. Now this one is so amazing. It is such a cool bag. It's like a gorgeous brown leather with the brass hardware. To me, it honestly kind of looks a little bit like a Fendi Peekaboo. And I love like the top handle, I love the long strap, and I love that it does zip close. So this is really, really, really cute. Oh, hold on one second. Okay guys, so I'm back. Sorry about that. Okay, so the next store that I went to was just a regular Goodwill, and I found some really great Halloween stuff, and I was really worried that I actually wouldn't find any more Halloween stuff because, oh my gosh, I just saw something scurry by. I'm like sitting in front of like the courtyard and I just saw like an animal, like an animal shadow scurry along the floor. Anyway, so I was afraid that there weren't going to be any more Halloween things, but I was pleasantly surprised to find such really great stuff. So first thing I found was this little skull. I love that the mouth opens and closes. They had a bunch of them, but this was the only one whose mouth opened and closed, which I really liked, and he was $1.99. And he actually wasn't even in the Halloween section. They had him just in the regular, like the tchotchkes. So I don't know, like, I don't, they just maybe didn't put him in the right spot, but really excited to have found him because he is awesome. I've wanted one whose mouth opened and closed for a really long time. And to go with him, I also got this really cool skeleton. And I was excited because this one was actually complete. They had a bunch of them that weren't complete, and this one was fully complete. And this one's mouth actually opens and closes as well, and I can actually hang this guy up, and he will be super awesome. And this guy was only $2.99, but his sticker fell. Oh no, it's right there. He was $2.99. So he was really cheap also, which I was, again, surprised about. And this one is actually, I feel like it's actually pretty good quality because, like, if you can see right here, like everything is screwed together with like real screws and not just like glued together or like just like pushed in, and you know. So this is, I think, was a really good piece, and I'm very, very excited for him. Eliza has already seen all this stuff too, and he is going nuts over it. We actually started decorating today, and he was my little helper, and it was just really, really fun. He's really, really into it, so I really do like that. And then, okay, this one is like the piece de resistance of the stuff that I found, and I was really, really excited for it. And it's like a three-legged, I don't know if it's like a three-legged like bowl, I guess is what you would call it, and it's pretty large. It's about 1.5 feet tall. This is how I measure like a foot, is like from here to here, pretty much for me. So it's like, okay, like 1.5 feet. It's really, really cool, and I just really like, it's really substantial too. I don't know what exactly it's made out of. I don't know, like plexiglass maybe, but it's really substantial. It's pretty weighty, and I really, really like it. And this one was $10. So it's really cool. I feel like this might have been from maybe like TJ Maxx or something like that. I don't know, but it has like no markings or anything about where it's from. Other than that, I really like it, and that it's super fabulous and fantastic. So very excited for that guy. Then I got another piece, and this one is another fun one, and this is a Mercari glass bottle with a like kind of like crystal top thing, and it has like the poison. Can you guys see that? There you go. It has like a poison mark on there, like the skull and crossbones. And I just thought this was really, really cool. And this guy was only $3.99. Again, this is, I think, is gonna look really great with my Halloween decor. This can go on a console table, entryway, dining table. You can do a lot of things with this. Even like a little, if you wanted to do like a haunted bar cart, this would be perfect to go with like your other bottles and spirits and stuff. So I think this would be really, really, really fun. Like, oh, right here I have my vintage Raydun cookie jar thing, and I thrifted this as well. And I think this would be so cute, like with this. Like, look how cute that goes together. Like, I think that's really, really fun. So very, very, very excited about this guy. $3.99. Ooh, I think I might actually just set him right there. He kind of looks really great over there with the other stuff. Okay, and then what else did I get? Oh, I forgot I got these. Okay. Now whenever I go thrifting, I always look for like white plates, but specifically I look for like certain brands. I collect like Pottery Barn plates, Crate and Barrel, West Elm, and I know like if you guys are familiar with Pottery Barn, they have the Great White collection, which I really, really, really like. But they have different kind of like styles in the Great White. They have the Great White Traditional, they have the Great White Rim, they have I forgot the other names, but I collect all of the great white pieces, and I actually have these already. So these are perfect to add to the collection. These are, I believe, are the great white rim plates because they have a really big, deep rim, and they're huge plates. And I got 2 of them, and they were only 99 cents each, which is amazing because I believe these are almost, I think they're $12 or $14 plates, I think. And what's really great too about the Great White from Pottery Barn is that they are oven safe up to, I believe, 400 degrees. So there's also the added benefit of that, which is why I really like the Great White pieces from Pottery Barn, because they're the only ones, I believe, at least that they make currently, that can go into the oven at that temperature. So really, really excited to be able to add these to the collection. You can never have too many white plates, especially because we have a lot of like parties and stuff, and sometimes we like to use all like regular dinnerware, not like paper and stuff, so that we can save the trees and stuff. So there's that. And then I have one last thing to show you guys, and it is actually a sweater, and it is this vintage Calvin Klein sweater, a gray one, and it's just like cool, fun. It's like very in and hip right now. So I got it, and this guy was only $4.99. So that is going to round out today's haul video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. And again, if you guys want to see the thrifting video for this haul, I'll have it linked down below and then right there as well. Check it out. It was a really great thrifting day, and I also did a little bit of decorating for Halloween. I started the decorating, so it was really cool to be able to find some more stuff to add to the house. And stay tuned for more decor videos, more thrifting, and more hauls. So if you want to make sure to not miss a video, don't forget to hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye! Okay, so check these out. These are Pottery Barn. I specifically remember these plates. There's a set of 3 for $2.99, or for $2.99 each. So they'd be like $9, which is pretty expensive. Because I think you could buy them in a set, and like, it's like almost close to the price. And I think it was like a set of 4. But check these out. These are the Great White rim plates. And I have a set of these. It's only 99 cents.